How to gain more Instagram followers organically. First of all, watch this video till the end. I will share tips and tricks in each step. Growing your Instagram account nowadays is really hard because Instagram algorithm is changed a lot as compared to 4 to 5 years back. No influencers and online stores are paying thousands of dollars for growing your account. You can also grow your account organically. For this, you have to show some patience, at least 4 to 5 months, work on it regularly. The first step is follow the niche related accounts. For example, if you are selling cat related products, you have to follow all the cats related accounts. This is the page on cat hashtag. These are all the top posts which have most likes and comments, and these are other hashtags also related to it. So you can check here. These are the recent posts here. You can comment and like here, and most probably some of you follow you back. You can increase your followers by doing this. You have to do this regularly after each few hours so you can grow your account. Now the second tip is share emotional and engaging posts. Like you can check this post. Post get more likes and comments. You can everyone who's celebrating his birthday in April 2020, and like this you can share some, create some emotional post, and most of the people will comment and your post will come on the top post and you will get more likes and followers. Here you can increase few of your followers by doing this regularly, sharing emotional posts and entertaining posts. You can also share videos also, but I will recommend share videos which you have copyrights. Don't share video by taking other accounts, because if they report it, your account will be limited. Tip number 3, collaboration with other Instagram influencers or pages. If you are selling cat products, you can find the influencer just right here, find the cat tag, and you can select any of the top images and you can go to here pages, and this page mostly have cat's picture, so they will share your pic also and give you a shootout, because these are mostly influencer running the business. First you have to check the number of the likes and comments. They have good engagement posts, so they may charge you $50 to $100 for a day shootout. It depends upon the number of likes and the engagement of the account. Also, if you are selling some fashion product, you can go to the popular pages like this one, Fashion Nova, and you can click here on any image and you will find here and you can go to their page and collaborate them. You can send your products to them, and also they may charge you some amount for sharing your product with the pic. If you don't have the budget, you can find the less expensive models or influencers. You can write here dresses and you can give them your product. You can send your product to them and they will give you shoot out back. Now tip number 4, you have to post consistently. This is the most important factor in ranking. If you are sharing 2 posts a day, you have to do it constantly for almost 3 to 4 months, and you have a good amount of posts already there. Look at the Fashion Nova page. This post is 4 hours ago, and then 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago. They are post regularly and they post 10 plus posts every day, so that they have get this amount of followers. They also run ads on it, but most they are not doing organically also good. Tip number 5, you have to create a secret group in which you will add 20 plus people, and when you post your picture, they all like and comment on it. For this your post will become on top post, and you will get a lot of likes and followers. This is the method most of the new influencers use. They make a group of people and they share and they like and comment on each other post, so their all accounts will rank. I hope you like these tips. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thanks.